Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a cracked game to Steam in a simple, clean way. First, log in to your Steam account. Once you're on your dashboard, look over to the left-hand side and click on Library. Now, scroll down to the bottom and click on Add a Game. From the drop-down menu, select Add a non-Steam game. A new window will pop up showing a list of programs currently installed on your computer. Take a moment to scroll carefully through the list and see if your cracked game appears there. If you can't find it, look to the bottom left corner of that same window and click on Browse. This allows you to manually locate the cracked game file on your computer. Let's say, for example, that your cracked game is OBS. Navigate to where OBS is installed. Click on the OBS executable file and then select Add Selected Program. Once that's done, Steam will automatically add OBS or whichever cracked game you chose to your Steam library. You'll now see it listed along with your other Steam games, ready to launch directly from Steam. And that's it! You've successfully added a cracked game to your Steam library. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple Steam tutorials.